Experiencing a black screen on your Google TV can be frustrating, especially when you're all set for a binge watching session. If you're in this situation, you're probably wondering how to fix black screen on Google TV. Fortunately, there are several solutions you can try before seeking professional help. In this guide, we'll walk you through the steps to troubleshoot and resolve the black screen issue on Google TV quickly and effectively. Step 1. Check the power and connections. The first step in resolving a black screen on Google TV is to check all power and cable connections. Ensure that your TV is properly plugged into a working power outlet and the power switch is on. Next, check the HDMI cables connected to your Google TV. Make sure they are securely plugged into the correct HDMI port on both the TV and the Google TV device. Loose connections can often cause display issues. If necessary, try using a different HDMI cable or port to see if that resolves the issue. Step 2. Restart your Google TV and TV. A simple restart can often fix a variety of issues, including a black screen. Begin by unplugging your Google TV device and your TV from the power source. Wait for about 60 seconds before plugging them back in. This power cycle can reset the device and fix any temporary glitches. Once both devices are powered on, check if the black screen issue persists. Restarting your equipment can reset the connection and eliminate issues resulting from system errors. Step 3. Check input and display setting. If the black screen issue continues, verify that your TV is set to the correct input source. Use your TV remote to navigate through the input options and ensure it is set to the HDMI port where your Google TV is connected. Additionally, check the display settings on both your Google TV and TV. Incorrect resolution settings can sometimes cause display problems. Adjust them to match the capabilities of your TV, usually 1080p or 720p for most devices. Step 4. Update software and firmware. Outdated software or firmware might lead to compatibility issues resulting in a black screen. Check for any available updates on your Google TV by navigating to the Settings menu. Select System and then Updates to see if any are pending. Updating the software can resolve issues with the operating system and improve performance. Likewise, ensure your TV's firmware is up to date. Refer to your TV's manual to find instructions for updating the firmware if necessary. Regular updates bring bug fixes and enhancements, improving overall functionality. Step 5. Perform a factory reset. If all else fails and the black screen issue persists, consider performing a factory reset on your Google TV. This action will restore the device to its original settings, resolving any persistent software issues. Navigate to the Settings menu, select System, then choose Reset. Follow the on-screen instructions, but be aware that this will erase all settings, apps, and data on your Google TV. Back up any important information before proceeding. Factory reset should be a last resort, used only when other troubleshooting methods fail. A black screen on Google TV can disrupt your entertainment experience, but by following these troubleshooting steps, you can often resolve the issue yourself. Remember to check connections, restart devices, verify input settings, update software, and perform a factory reset if necessary. By maintaining these practices, you can enjoy uninterrupted streaming on your Google TV. If the problem continues, you may need to contact customer support for further assistance. Now you're equipped with the knowledge to tackle the black screen issue confidently and get back to your favorite shows and movies. Enjoy the seamless streaming experience.